This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create bulleted lists in Google Docs. I'm going to show you how to create a bulleted list from scratch, as well as how to add bullets to existing content. So let's say I want to have a bulleted list here with a list of colors. What you do is you go up here to this menu of icons and you select bulleted list. When you click on that, the default will be a circle, but you have several options from which to choose. You can click on this arrow next to the bulleted list to get a full menu of options. You can choose between having 6 different types or ways of displaying your bulleted lists. So let's say I want to choose this one. After I choose my list, I can start typing text. So red, green, blue, yellow. And then let's suppose I want to have some sub lists under that. So if you want to have a sub list under that where the information under that bullet is indented, what you do is you click enter, and then you select the tab key on your keyboard to indent and create the sublist. And here I can put under information. I'm just going to put numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can add an additional sublist under that. So under the 4, I press the tab key again, and then I'll put A, B, C, and D. If you want to change how the bullets appear, all you need to do is highlight everything, then go up here to the bulleted list menu and select the other style of bullets that you prefer. You can also insert bulleted lists from this menu by selecting format, then selecting bullets and numbering, and then here you can select bulleted list menu, which will give you the same 6 options as you had by clicking the bulleted list menu here. If you already have existing comment to which you want to add bullets, you can do that by highlighting the text, and then you go and click on this bulleted list, or if you want something different, click the arrow, and now all of your text has a bullet. But notice that for every line break that is there is a bullet, so you will just need to get rid of that by highlighting or clicking on that line and deleting each bullet. And then later on, if you decide that you don't want those bullets anymore, just highlight that text and then select the bullet menu again, and they all disappear. So this video shows you how to work with bulleted lists in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.